in the world of the eternal, we are united by the brotherhood of Islam, as expressed in the Shahada, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Time has had its impact, and today 1,000 million people, all bound by the same testimony of the Muslim faith. To all my spiritual children who are present here today, and to your families, wherever they may be, I give my most affectionate, loving blessings for barakah and the resolution of whatever difficulties you may be facing. My brothers and sisters in Islam and other faiths should be assured that my deep and heartfelt prayers are with you for your peace, your unity, and for your happiness. Kana vada, kana vada, kana vada.